Hello everyone, welcome back to Varun's Kitchen. We are in the mood for pizza tonight. The kids have been asking me to make pizza and I said okay, let's go ahead and make something real quick. So here I have my pizza dough ready. And I'm just gonna punch it down and take it out of our container. It's nice and soft. I'm gonna roll it on my counter just a little bit. We have the recipe for this dough already up there, and see how easy it is to make this at home. I'm gonna just divide this into about 8 to 10 parts. Some will be big, some will be small, but yeah, that's how it is. It doesn't have to be accurate. So these are going to be small pizzas. I'm making personalized pizzas. You can obviously make them really big. If you wish to make 12 inches, then just take, double the size of the dough. Roll it up. I'm going to flatten it a little bit with my hands before I start rolling it with a rolling pin. So today I'm making a thin crust pizza. This is how we like it at home. If you like a thick crust one, then go ahead and make this smaller and thicker. I'm going to place it on my pick. Just sprinkle a little bit of all-purpose flour on this so that it doesn't stick to the surface, and then gently roll it on this. And I have my oven preheated to 250 degrees. It should be the maximum temperature that your oven can take. And I am going to tell you a secret. This is going to be baking without any toppings for a minute on the pizza stone. There you go, see? We're going to place it that way, and it's going to be just a minute or two, and then we're going to take it out and then put the toppings on it. That way the pizza really stays crispy. As you can see, the pizza base is rising really well. It's almost ready, and I'm going to take it out in just another few seconds. Okay, so I'm going to take out my pizza. Can you see this pizza stone? We got this, Varun got this for me from Italy because he knows how much we love making pizzas at home, and this pick also is from there. But you can get it here in India. And that's all there is to making the base. And now we're going to cover it with our toppings. I have made the pizza sauce beforehand. This is a video that is also already on our channel, so please do have a look at that. It's a very easy recipe. I've used lovely ripe tomatoes for this, and along with this I'm going to be making a vegetarian pizza for you today. So putting mushrooms, bell peppers, I love olives, so I'm gonna put that. You can't have a pizza without cheese, so we also have some really yummy homemade mozzarella cheese. So let's get all the toppings on here. Now, a pizza is such a personalized dish. You can put any topping of your choice, whatever you choose. I'm now gonna put a few mushrooms, just thinly sliced mushrooms. That's great. I'm also putting a few yellow bell peppers for mine, and then olives. We cannot have a pizza without olives. I like to put cheese on the top, but you can put cheese at the bottom, that's fine too. And that's it. Now it's gonna go back in the oven for 4 to 5 minutes. We don't want to burn it, but the edges have to brown a little bit. So you see, our pizza is ready. It's nice and hot. And while it's still warm, I am going to slice it. And here goes our final topping, which is an important ingredient to all pizzas. Basil leaves. We have some really nice fresh basil leaves in our garden, and I'm putting that on my pizza today. And guess who's gonna be doing the taste test now? So Anaya is here for the pizza. She loves the pizza. I'm gonna try it. Is it hot? No? It's okay for you? How is it? Yeah? No? So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time. Bye.